यहाँ
That is a beautiful stroke from Virat Kohli.
And just whips him with absolute...
Lovely wrist work from Kohli. Slight warm-up delivery from Stark, not his best of the day.
Oh, look at that for a shot. Moved around in the crease, and then Virat Kohli just went bang!
Whoa. Well, where's that come out of? Remember. Who will beat the fielder? We're seeing shots of great purity here. We saw one from Rohit Sharma earlier. Shot. Just a pure shot. Punched off the back foot.
Allotment of 10. Down the wicket. Beautiful shot from Virat Kohli. And it clears the rope. Wonderful timing.
Up in the air, inside out, over cover. What a shot from King Kohli.
He's got under him there, Skull.
Shot. Didn't get all of it, but it should be good enough to go for 4, I reckon. Haven't had the rub of the green. Let's hope he finds some rhythm here.
Kohli off the pads and over the fence!
Oh, no. Well, the half volley leg stump ain't going to do it. You can't.
The power play. That's through the gap. That is just a beautiful cricket shot.